In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Bajaj FinServe EMI network card on Amazon effectively to make your online shopping experience smooth and convenient. To start off, the first thing you want to do is shop on Amazon. Browse through Amazon's vast array of products and select the item that you wish to purchase. This could be any product that catches your eye, from the latest gadgets to household necessities. Once you've decided on your item, add it to your cart, just like you would with any regular online shopping experience. Now proceed to the checkout. You've found your product, it's in your cart, and you're ready to buy it. Head over to the checkout page to continue with your purchase. This is where the magic happens with the Bajaj FinServe EMI network card. At the payment page, bring in your Bajaj FinServe EMI network card to take over as the payment option of choice. Simply select it from the list of available payment methods. According to Bajaj FinServe, this card offers a seamless and straightforward way to finance your purchases, giving you the flexibility that other payment methods might not. The next important step is to choose a repayment tenure that fits your financial plans. Whether you're looking to pay off your purchase in a few months or stretch it out over a longer period, there's usually a repayment period that will suit your budget. This allows you to manage your finances effectively without any undue stress. Once you've selected your preferred repayment tenure, you'll need to finalize your transaction. This is done by entering the one-time password, or OTP, that's been sent to your registered mobile number. According to Bajaj Markets, the OTP system ensures that your transaction is secure and authorized by you, preventing any unauthorized purchases. Let's talk a bit about some important notes regarding the Bajaj FinServe EMI network card. Firstly, the card comes with a pre-approved credit limit. It's essential to be aware of this limit, which can be easily checked on the Bajaj FinServe customer portal or app. This information helps you manage your spending effectively and avoid any over-limit fees. Furthermore, to ensure your card is up to date, you can always verify its validity and other relevant details on the Bajaj FinServe portal or app. This will keep you informed about your card status and any applicable terms that may have changed. Lastly, a fantastic benefit of using the Bajaj FinServe EMI network card on Amazon is the option for no-cost EMIs. As Bajaj FinServe mentions, this means you can enjoy the convenience of paying in installments without any extra interest charges. This option can make larger purchases more affordable by spreading the cost without adding any additional financial burden. By following these steps, you can make the most of your Bajaj FinServe EMI network card on Amazon, enjoying not only the convenience of online shopping, but also the financial flexibility it provides.